Alright, this is the first full feature test of my beer robot. It's my old college mini fridge hooked up to an air cannon, and it's all controlled by an IO-Bridge 204. You can see the webcam on front, which will post all the beer tosses to Twitter. It's all controlled by my iPhone. So you can get a Bud Light Lime, Bud Select, PBR. You can change the temperature, warmer, colder, and it broadcasts the temperature right there in the corner. So let's see if we can get a Bud Light. Alright, so it goes to the second page, which has the webcam view, and you can actually aim the fridge. I think it was good where it was. Keep coming. A little more. Alright, that's about right. Let's see if we can fire this thing. I'm going to have to drop my phone. There it is.